Traders, good morning. It's Scott. Welcome to the Tradenet Trading Room. Welcome to a Monday. How about that? November 26th. Happy Cyber Monday to everybody. If you're out shopping today or after this session here, hopefully you make some money, go out and fuel the economy wherever you live. Welcome to Monday. Welcome to a great week starting here in the Tradenet Trading Room. You know, if you're new to the room and you want to come into the room, whether you're on the outside in social media, and by the way, good morning to everybody out there on YouTube, on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, on StockTwits. Welcome to the room. Great to have you here in the room and looking in from the outside. If you want to join us on the inside of the room and have the inside track, no delay in the sound or no delay in the picks, anything like that, you can join. And we've got our Cyber Monday sale going on right now. This ends today, traders. So if you're trying to make up your mind, if you've been thinking about it over Thanksgiving and you want to take part in what we're doing here in the room, today's your day. Biggest sale of the year ends on the 26th. Intro program. You can come into this room for as little as $375. Expert $499. Pro $699. Student $24.99. Today's the day. The link is in the room. Clifton will have it here all day. We would appreciate it if you want to be part of it. Click on the link below. Come in, and I'll be glad to have you here in the trading room. Get yourself a funded account package and trade with us live each and every day. Well, what a great weekend. Again, happy Thanksgiving. Had a great break, and I'm so excited to be back today, back trading live with everybody here in the room. Let's go over what's happening in the marketplace, and then we'll say good morning to everybody, get that moving here, get everybody focused on what we want to do today, and kind of go from there. Well, again, Friday, Dow down 179, S&P down 17, NASDAQ down 33. When you look at Europe this morning, a little different here, right? German DAX up 145, FTSE in the UK up 48, and the CAC 40 in Paris up 37 points. You know, the German DAX is up 1.29%. Nice move on the German DAX this morning. And the European stocks are rallying after the EU backs the Prime Minister May's Brexit deal. So very good deal for Europe this morning, moving in the right direction. That's on the heels of an Asian session, the overnight session that ended early in the morning. Nikkei up 165. Shanghai down 4. That was the only market that was down. And Hong Kong Hang Seng, guess what? Up 449 points, up 1.73%. 5 markets up, 1 market down. And then we get to our futures this morning. Our pre-market futures are up across the board. Dow futures up over 1% now, up 249, 1.03%. S&P futures up 29 points, 1.10%. And the NASDAQ futures up 96 1/4, up 1.47 points higher. Tech shares rebounding this morning. That's the big move. And again, I think the bigger picture. I'm not a Jim Cramer fan. I enjoy listening to his focus on the market, but he's talking about the surge today in the stock futures. Talk about a classic bear market behavior. That's on CNBC. And when you look at it, what he's talking about is we will have maybe a bump in the market and then coming back down. So it's a classic bear market behavior. He says we crater all week and then we go up and then we're going to open up huge on really nothing. But because we're so oversold, it's hard to let things go. So people, you know, looking and hearing that the Black Friday sale has been going great. In fact, there's companies that have come out there and said it was their best time ever to come in and to make it happen. But I got to tell you, the way that it's coming in and what people are saying is we've got a lot of maybe more downside to go in this market. So just be careful as we're trading today as we get into the day. Online sales record over the weekend, last week of the month this week. Oil up almost $1, up 91 cents here this morning on the oil market. And oil up 1.80%, now 1.51% this morning. So oil moving in the right direction. Tech shares rebounding today. And some earnings coming this week. Dick's Sporting Goods, not supposed to be that great, but we're going to be watching that and getting ready for the entire week. So, again, mentoring this week on Thursday. Amir Barak is delivering mentoring this week, and that's on Thursday of this week. Again, Thursday mentoring. That's our only training that we're going to have this week is mentoring, and that's on Thursday. So anyway, that's what's going on there. Well, good morning, everybody. Let's say good morning individually to everybody here in the room. Then we'll get our day started. We'll go through a few stocks. I'll list my stock picks that I have, and then we will kind of go from there. Get this market open. Get trading today. It's going to be a great trading day. Amir will be here. Mayor will be here. Myself, Danny, Michael, Clifton, Gabrielle, everybody here in the room. So really good day to be trading with us here. I'm looking forward to trading with everybody here in the room today. So let's get this day started. Richard Keith, good morning to you. Hopefully you're doing well this morning. Good to have you here in the room. Again, Don, good morning to you. Davadas, good morning. Cesario, good morning to you. Elmira, good morning. Michael, good morning to you. Steve, good morning back to Orlando. Good to see you here in the room. Yep, Rizwan, good morning to you. Todd, yes, it was very good Turkey Day, except for the Lions lost. I don't know. I think Michael Arevi jinxed it when we last spoke that about the Lions, but did not have a good showing even at home. David P., good morning to you. Jameson, good morning. Asher, good morning to you. Babak, good morning. Jameson, good morning. Coco, good. Good to have you here this morning. Taco, good morning to you. And good morning, Axa, good morning to you. Abraham, good morning. It was a great weekend. Abhishek, good morning to you. Neil, good morning. Trade Ideas, thank you, Cesario. Eric, good morning to you. Good morning, Claudia. Derek, good morning to you. Emmanuel, good morning. Yeah, good morning, Safwat. Good morning to you. Greetings, Chris, back to Texas. Good to see you here. Jorge, good morning to you. Vasvlad, good morning. Sale include upgrades. Yes, it does, Steve. Jabari, good morning to you. Runal, good morning. Hey, Ali, good morning to you. Good morning, Jim H. Daryl, good morning. Juan, good morning to you. Hey, Andrew, good morning. Good morning, Jason. Hello to you. Luis, buenos dias. ¿Cómo está, Luis? Good morning to you. Good morning to here. Khalil, good morning to you. I think I've got the YouTube handle down. I have to restart. Okay. Can I get a Clifton? Can you check it out one more time, and I will do that. Richard, good morning to you. Abdullah, good morning. Good morning, O'Neill. Christopher, good morning. And Chet, good morning to you. Good morning to everybody here in the room. Just make sure, Clifton, and I will restart it and get it going here this morning. Good morning, Dill. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys my picks here this morning, and I will list those here in the room. These are the stocks that I deem to be in play. These are the stocks that I'm watching this morning and give us, I think, a better chance to win for the day. And these are the stocks that I'll be keying in on today. I want to talk a little bit about a couple of them here this morning, a couple of them that make more sense than most, a couple of them that I'll be trading, I think, at the open here this morning, and we'll see how this day kicks in here. Both NVDA, Netflix, and Bubba on my main screen here this morning. Buenos dias, Enrique. Okay, there's my watch list this morning. I wanted to no IPOs today, and I will look at MA as well. MA looking pretty good, just a very, very, very low volume stock here on MasterCard this morning. One of the stocks I did want to cover here this morning is this NVIDIA over 150. This is NVDA. This is going to be a long over 150. NVDA long 150. I'll post it here in the room. We'll watch it as we get this day set and moving forward here this morning. NVDA long 150. Also Bubba right here at 154. It's going to break there before we get going, I think. But Bubba long 154. This market should be fairly strong today with the Black Friday, Cyber Monday, all of the stuff happening here. And then the last stock I'll pull into the monitor here will be Walmart. And Walmart will be a long over 96 here this morning. Pretty easy to see this one here. I'll keep this going here. Okay, and I will restart YouTube right now here. So traders, I'm going to list this one stock here, and I will go ahead and restart the computer. For whatever reason, we don't have the connection that we need here this morning. But there's the Walmart pick long over 96 here this morning. Danny's with us this morning. Michael Arevi, my trading partner in the afternoon, is here. Clifton, our Tradenet support manager, is with us. Amir Barak is here. Gabriel, our platform support person. Tomas and Gil Paz are here handling our Deutsche chat room. And if you want to listen to in German, click on the Deutsche chat room. And there he is this morning, Mr. Mayor Barak. Mayor, good afternoon to you. How are you?
Good afternoon. Great.